Welcome to 5889 South Kingston Way, located in the heart of Murray.
This home has been well loved for over decades, actually over 65 years to be exact. And it has so many high-ticket items that have already been replaced, like the roof, the furnace, the AC, the water heater, and so many more things. So please come with me and let's take a look inside. Here we are in the main entry with the formal living room and the dining room. As you can see, gorgeous, huge windows that allow a lot of natural light. In addition, very good carpet because it was just replaced not too long ago. And if you love hardwood floors, they're meticulously cared for underneath. As we walk into the kitchen, it actually sees right into the main area as well. And these countertops have been upgraded and replaced recently, as has been the refrigerator, which stays. So it's a great living space and a great area for you to be able to cook. Also, as you can see, you have great opportunity, lots of storage space in here, which there's not a lot of it lately in any kitchen. So this has a great opportunity for you to upgrade, paint, but good quality cabinets, which is why they're still here. Here we have a full bath shower tub combo with lots of cabinet space and a large area. In older homes, one thing I love is all of the cabinet space. So as you can see, all the built-in drawers in the cabinets, and then we have 2 bedrooms, which are nice sized rooms, and they actually have closets that are also nice, so they have all built-in shelves, not unlike the little tiny closet with the door. And for main living, you have the washer and dryer that was added, and this actually stays and is pretty new as well. Off the kitchen, we actually have additional living space, which is a covered porch, and you don't see it very often in this area. Let's go take a look. On a warm summer day, you might feel like you don't want to spend time outside, but in this covered patio, which is over 500 square feet, you have 2 ceiling fans, and it actually stays really nice. And you have doors everywhere, so you can come from the garage, you can go out the backyard, or you can go to the side yard. It's worth coming and sitting here and enjoying in person. Now that you've seen the covered patio, let's go take a look at the basement. As you can see, you can close this off and it can become a mother-in-law apartment or a bigger part of the house. So let's go take a look. As we come downstairs, there is so much potential with this basement. First of all, there's already 2 bedrooms and a half bath and a very large family room and 2 storage areas. But you can make another mother-in-law 3 bedrooms as well, or 1 kitchen as well as 2 other bedrooms. Huge area here is a family room. You have a natural wood burning stove down here. So let's go explore the rest of the basement. All right, as we walk to the other side, you have in here a potential, well, right now it's a bedroom, but it can also be a potential kitchen if you're doing the mother-in-law thing. And here's another bedroom. And so this one has 2 windows that you can actually keep, or you can even cut them even bigger for better egress. But it's great for a basement bedroom as well as the closet. Right now we actually have the 2 bedrooms that we already talked about. This could be the 3rd bedroom, or you can make it a kitchen because you already have the laundry right there. And the cool thing about this as well is right here you can actually even do a 3/4 shower. So that makes it an entire complete mother-in-law apartment down in the basement or a bigger home. I'm standing in the backyard and it is so private. As you can see, you don't really see any neighbors, which is fantastic here in Midvale. The other thing is there's RV parking, and if you do want to do that mother-in-law, you have a walkway on the other side. It's gorgeous, it's manicured, and it's secluded, and it's beautiful. If you like this home, then schedule a private showing today. Contact me, either DM or text me, and I will talk with you soon.